here is good, and here is bad. Okay is somewhere between good and bad. If something is okay, it's not bad, but it might not be quite good. It might be somewhere between these two, but if it's okay, it's closer to good than it is to bad. How do you feel today? I feel okay. How are you? I'm okay. I'm doing okay. If something is an average experience, not good, not bad, you can say it was just okay. How was it? It was just okay. That's not okay. That's not proper. That's not appropriate. That is not okay. If someone asks you how you're feeling about something, they might ask you this question. Are you okay with, and then whatever this is. Are you okay with this? Are you okay with this decision? Are you okay with, and you might have a gerund, are you okay with going to that movie tonight? Are you okay with that? A negative response to a situation would be this. I'm not okay with this. Whatever this is. But it's a simple way of expressing your disapproval. You're not happy about something, and you say, I'm not okay with this.